shipyard workers, friends from the media, especially also other distinguished friends who contributed a lot from the very beginning of the shipyard to have this achievement today. Today is a momentous day for the Indian Navy, shipyard, shipping ministry, Minister of Defense, in fact to the whole country. Launching an indigenously made a small thing. As mentioned earlier, so far only 5 countries was able to make it through. India is now becoming the 6th country. Today morning I got a call from my DRDO scientists. They have successfully today launched 52 again. That is another achievement. 3 days ago, we have achieved criticality in the first nuclear submarine. So many areas we are achieving. Setbacks, India is marching forward. Initially, there can be setback here and there, but within another 5-10 years, India will be one of the 3rd or 4th economies of